Hello there, my name is Alicia Lambert. I was born in Abilene, Texas. I'm the youngest of 4 siblings. I have 2 miniature dachshunds, Duke and Leo. They are my fur babies. I leave them at my mother's house during the week while I stay with my grandparents who conveniently live close to the college I attend. I'm truly grateful for all the love and support my family provides me. I attended high school in Brandon, Texas. Started college in San Antonio, followed by the start of earning my bachelor's degree in elementary education with a teacher education program at Carleton State University. I chose to become a teacher because I love children and the intrinsic rewards that come with teaching them I really love. The reward I get when I can tell I have helped a child master program is priceless. The Balanced Literacy Program strikes a balance between both whole language and phonics. The strongest elements of each are incorporated into a literacy program that aims to guide students to more proficient and lifelong learning. There are 5 different components: the read aloud, guided reading, shared reading, independent reading, and word study. Here is the first example of a balanced literacy program I witnessed. A read aloud. Reading aloud builds many important foundational skills, introduces vocabulary, provides a model of fluent expressive reading, and helps children recognize what reading for pleasure is all about. Here you see a student participating in independent reading. And here are students practicing word study by playing a game that requires them to practice writing their sight words. Students are participating in shared reading from the Smart Word game. The teacher explicitly models the skills of proficient readers, including reading with fluency and expression. As Carol Ann Tomlinson has said, differentiation means giving students multiple options to take differentiation. Auditory learners succeed when directions are read aloud, speeches are required, or information is presented in request for review. These are 2 students having books read aloud to them through headphones on a reading application. Here you can see students working on a hands-on activity that corresponds to the reading of the teacher. This meets the needs of kinesthetic learners who learn best through touching, feeling, and experiencing the material at hand. Visual learners benefit from diagrams, charts, pictures, films, and written instructions. These students are filling in a word chart through sight words. And here is a great example of differentiated instruction. For seating, students are allowed to choose their form of seating. Many teachers notice students struggle to pay attention during the lectures, and by implementing flexible seating strategies, you can improve students' focus. Literacy strategies increase academic achievement, decrease behavior problems, and make teaching and learning engaging. Here is an example of Reader's Theater. Reader's Theater involves children in oral reading through reading parts and scripts. The word wall is designed to be an interactive tool for students and contains an array of words that can be used during writing and reading. Here we see 2 students practicing partner reading. Partner reading is a cooperative learning strategy in which 2 students work together to read an assigned text. Audio-assisted reading has students read along in their books as they hear a fluent reader read the book on an audio recording. As confidence and reading skills develop, students read the same passage or text without the assistance of the audio recording. As a teacher, I believe in providing a safe, comfortable classroom environment and maximizing opportunities for student learning. I will ensure all my students get the resources and support they need so that every student receives equal opportunity in the same learning experience. One important idea I like to keep in mind is to make any and all mistakes and failed attempts into learning how to do. I believe in devoting our hearts to the cost and time for student instruction. Literacy unlocks the door to learning throughout life, is essential to development and health, and opens the way for democratic participation. Now, what type of learner am I based on the learning styles of multiple intelligences theory? Well, I'm definitely a kinesthetic learner. I learn best through moving, doing, and touching, through a hands-on approach, and actively exploring the physical world around me. I find it hard to sit still for long periods of time, and I might become distracted by my need for activity and exploration. This will allow me to connect with more of my students on a personal basis.